we are required to find y if log y minus 20 in brackets equals to 2. So we are going to try to do this sum by saying log y minus 20, log y minus 20 equals to, in brackets, equals to 2. But also we understand that if in logarithms, if there is no anything written here down, then we know it is base 10. So then let us change our expression from logarithmic form into exponential form. So we are going to bring this base down over here, and then 2 is going to be raised up, and the log sign will drop down when we rewrite it again. So when we rewrite it again, it is going to change into y minus 20 equals to 10 came down over here. So it is going to occupy this particular space, and then 2 is going to rise up. So 2 is coming up over here. So we understand that y minus 20, and then on the right hand side we have 10 square. 10 square means 10 times 10, and we know that 10 times 10 equals to 100. Yes, of course. And on the left hand side we want to get rid of 20 so that y remains alone, and we see that 20 is negative on the left hand side. So when we shift it to the right hand side, it is going to be positive. So let us rewrite our expression again. So y will be equal to 100 plus 20, and when we add 100 plus 20, we are going to say y equals to 120. So we see that is the final stage for this sum, and this is the answer. Thank you.